Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you this simple tutorial to how to add a blank page in Google Docs. So here, I've already on my Google Docs, and you see there is only one page in it, and I want to add a second page, the blank page. So what you can do is put the cursor at the end of the page and then go to insert and then here find the break options and here choose page break, or you can also do it with shortcut. Click on Control plus enter, but I'm going to just do it here and then click on that, and after that a blank page will be added into your Google Docs file. So that's so easy, and I think you can follow it right away. So yeah, that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.